Hey, gonna do a quick demo with the soldering iron station. This is from the brand TOAUTO. You can see right here, TOAUTO, and this is their model number 938D as in dog. So if you search that on Amazon, you should be able to find this very easily. First off, I'm by no means an expert soldering person. We use the soldering a little bit for my kids' RC car hobby. Unfortunately, right now they don't have anything for us to be soldering, and I want to make sure this device works and it's good to go when we do need it. So I'm going to just test it out for you here on a little circuit board from a remote control because that's all I could find that I could, play with. So here is the actual unit. As you can see, the gun just screws on there, very much straightforward. Power button on the side here, got it powered on, and if you can see, it's got the temperature right there. To adjust that temperature, you can just push, you just do a long push on the up or down arrows. And if you go ahead, I'll show you. If I push up, it starts going up. You let go, it's going to flash that setting you're at, and then it's going to gradually get there. As you can see, it wasn't that far, so it's almost to that 651 pretty much right away. And then if you go down, you can do that. The pound button lets you change between Fahrenheit and Celsius, but you have to turn it off and on to do that. And it also lets you go ahead and set some memory functions for these different buttons if you want to do something along those lines. Everything is pretty well explained in the manual, so that is good that they have a nice manual that explains things good. So that's right there. All right, so let's go ahead and let's play with it a little bit. Like I said, I'm not super good at soldering by any means, but we can go ahead and you can see that the soldering gun works nicely. So, if we're looking at just, doing some quick soldering here, go ahead and just start melting that. You can see it smoking there, and there we go. All right, so you can just do that. And of course, if it's not hot enough, there we go. It's really going now. And of course, I don't have anything I'm really soldering here. This is just kind of to show you. So we'll just go ahead and wipe that off on there. If it wasn't hot enough, you needed to adjust it. Like I said, you just do that long press. You can run it up. The hottest it goes is 842 degrees, I believe. So if you run it up to 842, that's where you're at. Here's your little soldering pump if you need to take something off. So we'll go ahead and show that. So if you just, use this to then melt something down, you can. And then once it's melted down, you can go ahead and just take this, which I actually had primed. So make sure you have it primed and ready to go. Okay, once it liquefies, you can go ahead and then just grab that soldering off of there. So if you need to remove any pieces off of a circuit board, that's where you end up using this. So there we go. So it sucked up some. I think I jumped some out over there. But anyway, everything works great. Everything's easy to use. Very nice and easy to adjust this unit. Definitely better than some of the straight up handheld units where this device just plugs directly into the wall. Really like the digital readouts. You got some different tip sizes here. So if you have different types of projects, then you're good to go. So that is about it. Again, it's the TOAUTO, TOAUTO. It's the 938D as in dog. So if you're looking for a nice little kit that's all encompassing and has all the pieces that you need, this is a nice option for you.